But today's quarterfinal comes against a Stellenbosch side emerging as one of the country's most proficient knockout teams over the last couple of years. Well, we are expecting fireworks under lights at the magnificent Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium in Kaizer. Teasing ball in. Loisani well positioned.
Yeah, he needs somebody running to that near post.
Sereno gets it back. Oh! Referee points to the spot. There was a handball with the delivery en route to the head of Lilepo.
Listen, Sereno has been excellent. I was talking about how he's whipping this ball and just in.
Sends Stevens the wrong way. Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium erupts. And Kaizer Chiefs. Nice improvisation with the outside of his foot. The Sibunku measures the cross. Oh, Boomer does well. Wicked corner in. Equalizer. Andre de Jong is claiming the touch. It was all about the delivery from the set piece. It was absolutely superb.
4 minutes of living dangerously throughout. Actually deflects off Miguel, but it was on his way towards goal.
These two sides looking to earn their spot in the last four, where Orlando Pirates are already waiting. Shabalala's corner. It's caused all kinds of problems. It's been turned in. An assistant who did not have the best of outings midweek when Arrows faced Mamelodi Sundowns. What did he see here? As George Matlo impeding Sage Stevens, turned in by Pulemori, contributes to his mistake. The goal stands! The goal stands! Kaizer Chiefs
Want to make the decision at home.
in from Barnes. Get the ball away. Roll! And Jamal's made a mistake. And Kaizer Chiefs will win this one 3-1. They are through to the semi-finals. The finishing touch applied by Fundo Vilakazi, the easiest goal he'll ever score.
I've never been a fan of a goalkeeper going across. I know some have made it happen, but I never tried it because for such
His career, I'm sure there will be many more to follow, and none will ever be as easy as that. The hunt for silverware is still on. The effort to end a trophy drought. They get the job done against Stellenbosch under extraordinary circumstances. It's